So we are learning about the concat method. So before we use it to write with the plus, right? You remember like this, we use it to create before t1 plus t2, t1 plus t2 like this. Either we can go with that way or we can go with this concatenate also. So both the ways we can combine the strings and we can join. We can say in technical words we can join two or more strings. We can use this concat method. Suppose I have some text is there. I want to tell you about the trim method. So as the name suggests, trim is if you have any white spaces between the string, if you want to remove, then that time you can go with the trim method. Let's give some text here. Let's text equal to hello, and or before or after I'll give some more spaces. Hello, my name is, and I'm giving more text here. Okay, like this. And when you enter on it, right, you can see how long it is. Like the empty space is this much, right, from year to year. I just want to remove the extra spaces before or after, then you can go with the trim method. So both the side of the string you can remove with the trim method. Let's take another string. Let trim string equal to, what is the variable name? Text dot trim method. Trim. Now you can console of trim string. You can see without the spaces how the text is. So if you want to remove the white spaces from the both the sides of the string, you can go with the trim method. And sometimes you want to only want to remove at the left side only, like from the starting of the string only. I don't want to remove after it. So that time also you can do let left string trim equal to, what is that name? Text variable name, text dot trim start. Trim start is a method you have to give here, and you can see left string. Now you can see only the left space only it was removed, right space was still existed. Now if you want to remove at the right side also, then right you can need to select right string equal to, here instead of start, what we have to do, need to give the end. So like that, right string. Now without spaces the string will come like this. So that is a use. And trim, and we already learned, trim is already learned. And suppose you want some padding to the string, also we can start give. Let us create one thing. Let data equal to some like we'll give some number like 10. And now we want to add the padding equal to data dot pad start, the method. Here you can give some number 5 comma x. So this is like, it's this method pads a string with another string. So we'll give the pad. See, I want, like we'll be having the length of the string is 5, and before that number I want like which letter you want, like xxx10 or yy10, anything you want. So if you want to pad a string with another string, right, before or that, you can go with the pad start. So like pad start, we also have the pad end also. So here this method that much we won't use, just for suppose this time I want zeros. Now you can see end, it should be 5 letters, and end you should have a 0. So that time, and like this you have pad start, pad end, and we have another methods for the string characters. If you want some character at the position, Suppose I have some text like this, let string equal to hello is there. Okay, I want to get the character here. String is already being declared. Okay, we'll take another string 2. Okay, now we have this. I want to get return the character at the specific index of the string. That time you can go with the caret. So let us create one variable, let character equal to, and what is the variable name, string2 dot, and what is the character it, caret it, and which position you want. I want the first one itself. So first one it is I gave the space, right? I give the 1. So 1. So what it will return, we'll see h. Okay, it will start from the 0 with the 0x index, and I haven't give anything, that's why I gave 1. So like this, if you want to return any character at the specific index, then you can go with. Okay, and sometimes you want a Unicode character, so that time, so instead of caret you can give code char it, char code it, char code it. Now char. Now you can see, so what is a H character code? This is a 104. So that integer or anything between the 0 to 65,000 plus the UTF character code, it will return. Okay, and if you want to access the first letter or last letter, no, you can also directly use this 0th 1 index, second index. So first we will display the character, or else we'll go with the string. So you want to get to access that string, right? So get the string. I want to have to use the first letter of the character, first character. Then you can use 0, and the second character I want, or a third, fourth character I want. So like this, you can access with this way also, or else that way also, it is fine. And if you want to convert, suppose I have like string like this, I want to split it into another array or something. Suppose I am creating variable some text equal to hello world, hello world, this is JavaScript example. Now I am creating the string, so my identifier text is already been declared. So if you are declaring the variable with the letter constant, be careful, that's why this kind of errors will come. Okay, text white I'm creating. So this is a text file. Now I want to, this string can be converted into array. So how I want, whenever I have these spaces, so each space, this word should be created in an array. So I want an array with the hello and one item, world one item, this is one item. So whenever the space is there, that time it should break, and it will I have to create an array. So that time variable split array with the spaces, wherever the spaces I have, right? So that is the purpose I'm giving this text file dot split. You should give split, and empty spaces you should give, because when empty space only I need to create a new thing, right? Give a space here. Okay, now you can console log split with spaces. Here you can see, if you are giving the split, it will create a new array with the words where we have a space. So each element will be created an array element inside that array, and the length is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 length, sorry, length is 6, and these are this way we can create an array. Now I want to create, suppose I am creating a text in a different way. This text is there, and we have this or symbol. Any other character also you can take star. Instead of this I am giving star. hello world, and here one strong, and I want to create an array. Wherever I have a asterisk, it should create an array in between. Okay, for that I'm creating this with symbols or anything. You can text wise dot split. Here you should give the asterisk, because whenever the asterisk is there, that time only I want to create a new one. Now you can check here, split with asterisk. Hello world, this is JavaScript example. So like this, you can create a new text instead. Text 6 I am giving. Remove the spaces. Remove the empty spaces. I want to give the space whenever it has. So, and this is this text 6. Split with symbols. Now you can see, now this will be correct. So hello is there, and wherever the asterisk is there, it is goes to the next element. World is in one, is JavaScript in one, example is this one. So like this, wherever you want to create a string, we create an array with the specific symbol you can use. Okay, and these are the available string methods. What are we learned? Like concat method, split method, slice, substring, substr. Okay, split. These are the available methods in the string. And to replace, and if you want to replace with the global all the matches, then G. That also we learn, right? And we have so other also we learn about. Suppose I want to get the index of something. This text is there. I want to get the index of this position of the first occurrence of the specified text. That time, let us create our another string. Let string 4 equal to hello. Please check. So this text is there, and I want to get the index of the position of first occurrence of the specified text in the string. So I want to check this, please. So that time string 4 dot index of whatever the text I want, please. I want to get the index of the, so 8th index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So starting position of that string index, we will get it. This is the index of property. And suppose I have like more content, like this. Hello, please check. Same text only I will repeat. Suppose I want the last, please, last text is, here this will be the last. So if you want to return the last occurrence of the specified text, no, that time you can go with the last index of. I don't want the first one, I just need the last one index. So that time string 6 dot last index of, what is that? Please text, no, type here. And you can see 52 character. You can count here. This position will be 56, 52. Okay. So last, so both the index of and the last index of returns -1 if it is not found. So here till now we gave the text which is already presented, and now I am giving which is not there. So which is not there? Good. Some text I am typing. So it returns string -1, because if that string is not available in that, then it will return the -1. So if that string text is not found, so it will be applicable with the last index of as well, both. Okay. And so suppose I want to search a string from the middle only, like from here only. So that time also you can give like the same only, last index of please, comma, from which location you want to search. I want to check from this, means after 10 letters from, you can give 11, like that also you can give. Okay. And the search also, we have another method called search. So as the name suggests what it mean by, so we already have the check string 6 equal to this much. Okay, so string 6 dot, and we are going to search please, please text. Okay, what it will return? 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So at the 8 index it will have. So search method searches a method for a specific value and returns the position of the match. So that is the use of the search. So what is the difference? So index of and you can see the index of also returning the search also returning the. So what is the difference in between? So what is the difference? Search method cannot take a second start position argument, but index of method cannot take powerful search values. So these have these features and these have these features. So with the index of, we can have a regular expression also. Okay, and with the search actually it has like it cannot take a second start position argument. Okay, but index of it can. I already showed you last index of that also with the two parameters. So if you want to search with the like from this position or that position, so that the index of will accept, but search it won't accept. But coming to search, it has a great powerful search values. If you want, index of just returns the a specified value only, but it has more powerful than that. And like a find and a search, we have another method called match as well. So match means what? match. Match means what? That you search a string for the match against some regular expression and returns the matches as an array. Suppose I have this text, let string equal to this hello please check, this 3 times check is there, and I want to string dot match please, text is there, and globally I want to check. So we'll create a another array. String dot will take like this, and we'll create an variable result. Maybe returning, but we have to receive that dot match, and oh, it is, we have to give the string 6 because in the string we gave the string, right? It is not existed, that's why it is throwing the null. We have to use the correct variable name. This is the variable name string 6, right? We need to give like this, and we are planning to search the string. So like this match, and whatever the text, please slash g. Now you can give the result here. See, so what is the definition for the match? It searches for the string, and what are the match against the string returns the match as an array. Okay, it will create the array, and how many times it there? 1 2 3. That's why 3 times that search was found. That's why it is created a new array with these 3 values. Okay, and we have another method called includes. So includes mean by what? So this is also a JavaScript method. It returns true if the string contains a specific value. Suppose hello my name is so and so is there. I just want to find out this name. So that time we can go with the includes method. So if it returns true if that string existed in that. Okay, we'll check here. Suppose I'm creating variable string equal to hello my name is. So like this I'm creating. Now I want to check if the hello text is there or not inside the string variable. Okay, includes, and what is that hello? I want to check hello. Okay, true, because it is there. If I am giving any other text which is not there, then see I am giving the text which is not there, so obviously it will return the false. So that is the use of the includes. So it returns true if a string contains a specific value, it returns false it is not there. Okay, and here also if you want to set a string from the given position you can give. Okay, suppose I want to check a string from this, so give the position after this, after hello give the comma and what is the index of the position you can give here. And ES6 was this includes was an ES6 new feature. And we have another method called start with. So this start with method returns true if the string begins with a specific value, otherwise it will return you false. So we'll see. So suppose I have this text is there and I want to return true if the string begins with specific value. Okay, here are my string was started with the hello. So let us create clean string because I gave the space for the first variable. Now I just remove this empty space. Now I want to check if that string begins with the hello, then I want to return true. Start with, so I'm giving us hi instead of hello because it is giving false because it was not started with the hi, it is started with the hello. So like this you should give. Now it will return true because it is started with this hello text. So what are the parameters it will? So search value, and from where you want to search also the position also you can give with the comma and whatever the position you want to search. So that also you can. Okay, and like start with we have ends with method also there. So ends with also same. If the text is ends with this thing, no, then if it is there it will return, else it will return false. Ends with what is the text here? ISS, so it returns true. And I'm trying with the text which is not there, any other string, it will give you false. So that is a pattern. And you can also give the comma separated from which position you want to search also you can have. Okay. These are the search methods we have. Next, yeah, I want to make you learn about the template literals. So we are done with the data type methods, data types. Okay, and next we will learn about the template literals. So in the template literals, so what you mean by, so suppose if you have a template and you want to use the variable inside the string. So till now if you have any variable name in between the string, we are using with the place or we are using with the concat. Okay, but I don't want to use both of that. In that other way also we can do, like if you have to use the variable names in between, just what we are doing, first we are starting with the double quotes and we are ending the string here, then I'm adding the variables with this and the variable name we are adding again plus. So this is a bit complex. I wanted in a simple way so that also we can achieve. Okay, So let us create a variable. Let f name, first name means f you can create. So you can give Meera, and last name I am creating Tagore. Now I want to have a text like this. Let combine text equal to combine text equal to, you need to give the field like what will say backticks, which is at keyboard, like before the numbers will be having this symbol backticks. We will say open the backticks and close the backticks, give the semicolon. Now you write your text here. Welcome Meera Tagore I want to. Okay, here by instead of using the direct variable name, here you need to use a dollar symbol, dollar open curly brace, close curly brace, and you can use the variable name here f. Okay, f, sorry, f, and comma another last name also I want to include, dollar open curly brace, close curly brace, and you can give L here. That's it. Close open curly brace, and you can have a combined text here. You can see welcome Meera Tagore. So like this we can concatenate the string, and we can use the variable names in this using the, this is called backticks. This whole concept is called as template literals. So where we are allowing the variables inside the string, so that is called template literals. And this is a ES6 way. Before we don't have a concept of this. And we have number methods next. Till now we learn about only the string methods. Length, slice, substring, str, index of, last index of. Okay, search, match, all these are with respect to the requirement. You can make use of this search, match, like this. And we have next number methods. We will continue tomorrow. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now, or else we will end up the session. Kirti,
హలో
Meghna, yes.
హలో ప్రియా
చెప్పండి.
క్లాసెస్ అసలు డైలీ ఉంటున్నాయండి. నాకైతే ఏ మెసేజ్ రావట్లేదు. స్టార్టింగ్ ఒక 1 వీక్ నుంచి నాకైతే ఏ మెసేజ్ రాలేదు.
రోజు ఉంటున్నాయండి క్లాసెస్.
అంటే అప్పుడు రోజు లింక్ అదే డైలీ అనిల్ గారు పెడుతున్నారు గదా! నాకు 1 వీక్ నుంచి